Hello, in this video I want to show you how to alphabetize in Google Sheets. To do this, first you will need to create a range from which you'll be able to alphabetize. In this case I have 4 names right here. Then we can hold shift and select any range of cells that we want. Just click on the last one. And now we can click on the tools, or actually sorry, on the data, and go for sort range, and then we can sort either from A to Z or from Z to A. And let's do this one first. As you can see, it alphabetizes our names, or we can do the A to Z like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.